Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And today I'm sharing a new company that I have added to our shop. So you'll find the Inky Antics rubber stamps in the Not Too Shabby shop. And this is the Flippin' Fun collection, and it is so flippin' cute. So I'm going to share, and you can see all this prettiness here. Now you ask, what is this? So there's some sample cards that I'll share. Let me share those first so you get an idea of what these products do. So here's the first one. I'm going to move the light so you can see the little shimmer of the sequins there. So this is their stamp set, the nail polish stamp set. And what you see on the sample here is they cut the center out and they added the sequins fabric, and it's a reversible fabric, and you just take your finger and reverse the sequins to reveal another color. So the fuchsia has silver, and then you can just play with this, and the recipient can just play with that. Isn't that fun? It's so fun. So the next one here is the Mermaid Stamp Set, and then this one is like a iridescent, I think it was copper to royal blue. Look how pretty. So pretty. And then this one here is the Relax and Wind Down stamp set. And this one is the copper. I think it's copper to gold. Let's see. That one is this one, champagne to gold. Okay, so it comes in a little package with fabric. It's fabric sequins that you can put on your cards. So you just take a die cut image, and you have to put something over that so you can hold it down. Isn't that fun? And then, let's see, I'm gonna have to show this one sideways. This is the coffee cup one. Isn't that pretty? So that's the rainbow one, and I will share that. And here's a sample that they did with like some gel on the inside and little sequin stars on this nail polish with a glittered cardstock in the background. Isn't that fun? So there's all kinds of ideas you can do with these stamps. Now I've created a couple of bundles. I only have limited quantities on these because this is a new product. So this is a new product, and I'm going to see how it does, and I'll bring in more if it gets popular in my shop. So we've got the coffee cup one. I'm all about coffee stamps, so I really can appreciate this one. Now the stamp is really nice and large, so it's going to be really nice and easy to color. Paper piece. You can draw your own design on the inside. That would be really fun to stamp like your critters and stuff, make a little scene on this coffee cup. There is a steam here to add to the top in the shape of a heart. You get some coffee beans and some nice sentiments. Coffee is a hug in a mug. And then we've got sending. You can put a hug in a mug. Coffee, that's it. And then the small sentiment here. Brush your fingers across the sequins to change the color. So if you're using the sequins, you could stamp that on your card and the recipient will know what to do. So there's some instructions on the back. And then for the bundle, I have two bundles, and I'm going to get the stamp. So you get the stamp, the iridescent, or the reversible sequins fabric. Okay, so this one's in the hologram to silver, and then the coordinating die for that. Okay, I will have a couple more of the fabrics available if you want to purchase extra fabrics in different colors. Okay, now we have the mermaid. So you get the beautiful mermaid stamp. So I love how this part is separate because that's going to make it easy to do paper piecing or to do the fabric. And then we've got Sentiments Mermaid. And then it says in a sea, be a mermaid in a sea of fish. And then there's some little hearts and bubbles. And then again, it comes with the little sentiment that says brush your fingers across the sequins to change the color. And then we've got a little jellyfish, which is separate from the little fin there. So in the bundle, now this is available for purchase, just the stamp. So if you just wanted the stamp, I have that available. And then the only way to get the die is to get it with the bundle. We've got the fabric in the iridescent copper to royal blue for the mermaid, and then the mermaid die. So that's what you'll get in the bundle. Now here's the nail polish one. So I love nail polish stamps because you can use glitter, you can use all your fancy glitter mediums, use your glossy accents, just to have real fun decorating the nail polish bottle. So it comes with the lid and the little brush and the bottle and the little cork. So that's a separate stamp. And so is the sparkle, that's separate. And then all these sentiments inside here are separate. We've got Manny, thanks, nailed it, you, and sparkle. We've got here, brush your fingers across the sequins to change their color. So it does also come with that. This is the die. And you'll get this one with the bundle, the fuchsia to silver. And then we've got the wine one. So this one is relax and wind down. So you get your wine cup here. You could color the inside any color you want. Use glossy accents. We've got a cork. This little cork you can put together, the little screw cork thing. And then we've got cheers, time to relax and wind down, sentiment inside here that you can take out. And then again, that little sentiment that says brush your fingers across the sequins to change their color. And then here is the coordinating die for that one. And then you will get the sequins in this color, champagne to gold. So really, really fun. So every month I'll be getting a new collection from the Inky Antics. So that is super, super fun. So I will have the link down below to that section in the shop. Thanks for stopping by, guys. I really do appreciate it, and I will catch you real soon. Bye, guys.